teaching a dog to out. Sit. Get that. So we're teaching this dog to out so that we can have a recoil. A recoil is a way of calling the dog off once you send the dog to bite. Out. Out, boy. Out. Out. So what we just did was we had him attack one object, we outed it, and we set it down. We're gonna do it with another object. No, sit. Get it. Out. Out. Get it. So now we're teaching the dog to release and bite another object. Out. Get it. Out. Out, boy. Bishop, out. Sit. So right now she's teaching them to out. Out. No. Bishop, out. Teaching them recoil. Sit. Sit. Sit, boy. Teaching them recoil. Sit. Bishop. A lot of times, sit. People don't have a recoil for their dog. They use the shock collar methods. But what we're doing is we're doing something a little different. Hit that. Hit that. Out. Sit. Hit that. Out. Out. That's how you do it.